Hey everyone, Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to highlight the movements of our 24/7 Heavy Duty. This chair is rated for users up to 450 pounds for all day, everyday usage. That's 24-hour day, 7-day work week. Okay, it comes standard with Enersorb, also heavy duty fabric. In fact, folks, the entire chair is heavy duty. Heavy duty gas lift, heavy duty mechanism. The base, the casters are heavy duty. Even our arm pad tops, although they're soft and pliable, it's a heavy duty arm cap we have on here for you. Also, the arms are attached to the frame rather than the seat pan. It's so important because folks of a heavier weight will often use their arms to assist themselves to get into the chair and then lift themselves out. And these chairs are designed accordingly. We'll get into the movements now. We'll start with the back. At the bottom here, there's a knob you can adjust, and that's going to give you a seat sliding opportunity here for your back to come out, okay, to increase your sitting length for your legs. And then on our right hand side, at the very back, there's a lever for our gas lift. Okay. So that's going to lift the chair for you, and then you're just going to adjust it down according to your comfort requirements. Okay. Your front lever is your infinite lock position tilt control. Okay, so you can set it to whatever position you want. Right now I'm in what we call a free float, but whatever position you like, you lower your lever and you're locked in place. Simply lift your lever up and you're coming back up. Your back is following you back up. Okay, our arm system on this chair, on the outside you see a bit of a metal piece protruding. That's actually your control level for widening your arms. You push it down, and you can simply bring your arm out manually to your required width, and then you want to lift that back up. You're going to hear a click. Okay, folks, that's going to lock it into position at the width you want it. Okay, we also have height adjustment with this dial right here, and that's simply a dial down, a dial up to your required height positioning. Okay, and so there you have our 24/7 Heavy Duty. For more information, please join us at nightingalechairs.com.